I bought this Mainstay Metallic Skillet for $10 at Walmart. Bought it around, I owned it for around 6 months. You can see the reviews aren't that good. It's a ceramic metal skillet, and this is what it looks like after 6 months. We use it about 2-3 times a week to cook eggs and stuff. It was great the first week, and then we used it for about an hour, and then the nonstick started. One time we used it for about an hour to cook some food, and it nonstick started to wear off, and so it didn't last too long, like 1 or 2 weeks, but we continued using it. We had to use oil with this, and so you can see it gets rusted. It's rusted over here, and it's already peeling on the sides over here, so you might want to take really good care of this, because for $10 it may not last.